Hello YouTube friends, I'm making this video once again after 1 year. So today I just thought I should give some tutorial about some basic tunes which can sound really awesome when you're sitting in a group of friends, and it does not matter if you know how to play a guitar or not. Okay, this is pretty basic stuff which goes between the 7th and the 5th fret of your acoustic guitar. Okay, so this is a pretty basic tune to begin with. So if I tell you, this is like, okay, so most of the action is going between the 5th and the 7th fret. Now what's amazing about this tune is that even though it is so basic, if we had a few things here, okay, like this, this is actually called plucking the string, okay, really hard. So if we add that to this tune, it will start sounding something very good. Okay, so here we go. Sounds good. So what's happening here is, so what we are playing here is the 5th and the 7th fret only. Okay, and the strings that we are playing are the thickest E string, which is this one, and the A string, the string above it. Okay, so for this we will play the thickest E string open twice, and then we will put our finger on 7th fret A string. Okay, then 5th, back to 7th, then the thickest E string 5th fret, slap on the 7th fret, then A string 5th fret, slap on the 7th fret. Okay, like so. Okay, don't know if you can see, I'm trying to bring this as close to the camera as possible. Okay, and while you're doing this, you really have to pluck the string like so that it makes this bassy kind of sound, the sound that it would make on a bass guitar. Okay, so that's what we are trying to do here. Okay, and my recommendation is that you always use your thumb to pluck the strings, because the topmost strings, these are really difficult to pluck with your index finger or any other finger for that matter. Okay? It will not make that kind of sound. So in order to make that bassy kind of sound, that slap kind of sound, you have to pluck it with your thumb. Okay, so just get used to this technique. Okay, practice that and you should be able to play it really nice, like so. Hope you like it. Okay, so leave any comments if you have. I will answer all your questions in there. Okay, and till then, try this tune and take care of yourselves. Peace out.